perfecto. Next, we're going to move on to my eyes. What I like to do is use the concealer to set my eyes as well. I should have brought it down, but this will make your eyeshadow stick and pop. I remember at one point we used to use NYX Jumbo pencil in the color Milk. Well, them days are outdated and we don't upgrade to concealers. Same thing before, you want to make sure that everything is blended out evenly. This is going to be your blank canvas, so you want everything to be as smooth as possible. This will make your makeup application flawless. And we all know we like to have flawless makeup, because I know I do. Perfect. There we go. I feel like I can just wear this by itself. Okay. I'm going to start off with a neutral base, although my concealer is neutral. This is the NYX Dance the Tides Matte Neutral Brown color. Swirl it around. And basically I'm just setting that concealer. Flawless makeup. Just like that. Look at that. I love it. It's matte. I have really oily skin, and sometimes my eyelids tends to get oily. So when I put on this matte eyeshadow, this will help cut down all the oil. You won't even see no oil on my eyelids. That's why I love using this matte base. Now you can see how the look is starting to come along. I told you. Wait on for it. Juvia's Place. This is my favorite eyeshadow to use. Great tip is that she is going to start having her products sold in Ulta, so you guys should check her out. I'm going to take this color right here. You can see it. It's like a deeper brown, like natural looks. I love the color dark brown and gold. Gold fits my complexion so well. So this is a darker brown, and I'm just going to put it right here in the outer corner of my eye, just like that. This is such a beautiful color, just like that. And like I said, blending is going to be your very best friend, so just make sure you blend it all the way out. Same thing on this side. Put it right there in that crease area and just keep blending. You just want to make sure that everything looks natural as possible. Now if you want to add some more depth, what you can do is you can go in. This is like a brown slash black. I don't quite know the name. I'll have to find the name of this color. But it's a little deeper than the one that I used earlier. So I'm going to get some of that on this brush here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it right in here to add depth. You don't want to look like you're one-dimensional with your makeup. I like to pack it on there, build up that color. And what we can do now, you see the difference? Blend it on out. Blend. See, I have a hooded eyebrow, so when you put on your makeup, sometimes you have to bring up the color just a little bit higher, so it can be seen, because if not, your whole eyelid will cover up the makeup and you just won't see it. So I'm just gonna move that dark brown up just a smidget. Up just a smidget. See, now when I look up, it's up. And then what you want to do, you don't want no harsh lines. Blend it out. Blending is your best friend. I'm gonna do the same thing for the next side. Pack it on there. Booyah. And blend it. No harsh lines, ladies. It's coming together. Right, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cut the crease, which means I'm going to cut the inner part. You see that little section that's left out? I'm going to use my matte concealer. Cut the crease. You want to make sure that it's all the way smooth. You want smooth concealer. Make sure that concealer is smooth all the way out. If I can get the concealer out, that would be perfect. So it should look something like this. For my natural look, as I stated earlier, I'm a big fan of gold. Gold looks really good on me. So I'm going to go into my Juvia's palette and dip into that brown. I'm sorry, the gold. That color right there. It's very pigmented. Very, very beautiful color. Place it right there. Look at that. Look how that shows up. That gold is speaking to me, honey. Let's do the same thing for the other side.